Welcome to the Cloud Community Updates. I'm Jürgen Kress, responsible at Oracle Product Management for integration and Oracle Digital Assistant to support you as a partner.
This month's topics include free trials for you as an Oracle partner, including Oracle Cloud Platform and Oracle SaaS, hands-on trainings to integrate Oracle SaaS, and hands-on trainings to innovate Oracle SaaS with Oracle Digital Assistant, and our community webcast. So let's get started.
At cloud.oracle.com/try you get access to the always free cloud platform. On top of it, you get $300 budget for free cloud strategies to spend with PaaS services like Integration Cloud or Digital Assistant. To extend those services and your free trial, please contact your Oracle Partner Manager. For additional questions, please go to tinyurl.com/Oracle Cloud Trial.
SaaS partners can access services like HCM, ERP, and CX at demo.oracle.com. Those include pre-configured documented trial services for you as a partner. You can access instant services to try and become a trained and certified expert. Or you can request dedicated services for up to 5 days to present your customers the latest SaaS solutions. Please visit demo.oracle.com. To integrate SaaS services and to innovate SaaS services, we offer free hands-on trainings for you as an Oracle partner across the world. Oracle Digital Assistants offered pre-built chatbots for SaaS solutions like HCM, CX, and ERP Cloud. For example, in Service Cloud, you can support a call center offloading workload with a chatbot. We offer a 2-day hands-on training for SaaS consultants and mobile experts to become an expert and certified consultant in Oracle Digital Assistant. Schedules include Reading in the UK, Austin in the US, Utrecht in Netherlands, and Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. For additional locations, including India, please visit our registration page at tinyurl.com/Oracle Chatbot Kit. Oracle SaaS solutions like HCM, CX, and ERP can be connected with Oracle integration. For example, the Human Capital Management solution is integrated with an on-premise system to pay your monthly salary. We offer for SaaS consultants and integration experts a 3-day hands-on training to become a certified expert. Schedules include Mexico, February 11th to 13th, Chennai, India, February 24th to 26th, Cairo, Egypt, February 25th to 27th, Dallas, US, March 3rd to 5th, Santa Clara, April 21st to 23rd. For details and additional locations, please visit our registration page at tinyurl.com/integrate SaaS. This month's community webcast will be an update on HCM integration, especially for partners who use Oracle Human Capital Management. Neil Kominski will give us an update on February 26, 4:30 p.m. CET. For registration, please visit tinyurl.com/PaaS February 2020. To wrap up today's presentation, in case you are not yet a member in the PaaS partner community, please make sure that you register now. We would like to invite you to attend our free hands-on partner trainings for Oracle integration and Oracle Digital Assistant around the world. To register for a chatbot training, please visit tinyurl.com/Oracle Chatbot Kit. To register for an Integrate SaaS Bootcamp, please visit tinyurl.com/Integrate SaaS. And tune in our community webcast on February 26.